I got it. Guys, Mama said go check on the macaroni. Mama said go check on the macaroni. Tanya, never put a drunk man in the truck and let him go mud riding.
What?
I said never put a drunk man in the truck and let him go mud riding. But he looks like a short person stuck in a big house. He does. Okay. Try being in the truck when it snatches, okay? And you're the one doing the driving.
No, that's how rednecks escape from prison.
Hello. Hey, at least we got some progress. It was over there, and now it's over here.
Yeah.
Hey, it's coming out.
Yeah.
And I'm getting mud on my foot. Hey, yay, my truck's getting out of the mud.
Yeah, I get bad next month. Your truck's gonna be in the same position it is this time. Maybe Arthur.
Shut up. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Go my truck. He's gonna have to buy a new motor for my truck. He started my motor out. I'm gonna burn the motor out of his brand new one.
I had to buy a new transmission for that noise.
Shit, bro. And a video. Nice try to do that. You said the water bubbling through the transmission, bro.
You done fucked that truck up.
That truck ain't.
Yeah.
That's fucked up.
That was gonna be my truck. I videoed the whole thing, Daddy.
That truck ain't gonna be worth nothing when we got through with right there.
We're not worried about the truck. We're worried about the pond.
I'm worried about the truck.